Hello, hello. I got to take a break from the paper crafting and open some Disney Doorables. Let's party. I had 3 of these to open. My granddaughter got 2 of them and opened them. So the first one she opened, this is the only one I got out of it. I have no idea what the rest were. She claimed them. And the second one, she's letting me show you guys what we got. There's Sadness in her bathrobe. And Marie. Either Goofy or his son, one of the two. I love this one. So don't she, though. So she's getting it back. Hey, hey, inside of a coconut. That one's so cute. We got a little Aurora with her sleeping mask. And we got one of the dwarfs. Let's see which one this is. It is Sleepy. And she pulled a Chip. So now we got a Chip and a Mrs. Potts. Too cute. Now let's open this one and see what we get. Only 5 doors. Remy got the one with 7 doors, but that's okay. There we go. See who it is? Oh, cute. It's an alien. I haven't seen that one. He's in a roller skate. That's cute. I like that. Cute. All right, let's see. Door number 2. And Little Mermaid. She's cute. Oh, the starfish in her hair. That's cute. Number 3. Fozzie Bear. That's my first time ever getting a Fozzie. He's cute. Waka waka. What's this one? There's some cute ones in this one. It's party, bringing back the old schools. Oh, Luca with his mermaid tail. Or merman tail. That's cute. I hadn't seen that one before either. And last one. This one looks good. It's Belle. Oh, she's got a little roller ball on her so she can glide around and dance in the ball gown. That was clever. I like that. That's all of them we got. I'm not sure what the ones she got before, but there's several on here I'd still like to get. The Queen of Hearts, Dale, Vanellope, Tinkerbell, Max, Goof. Okay, the one we got was Goofy. They got Lucifer, the cat from Cinderella, the March Hare, Alice from Alice in Wonderland. Oh, how cute. Oh, they got Animal too from Muppets, not just Fozzie. Oh, how cute. And King Louie. And Louie from Tiana, the alligator. Cheshire Cat, Stitch, Rex, Lilo, Daisy Duck. And Donald Duck. These are super cute. The Miss Piggy. The Miss Piggy. Look at her with her green mask on and her rollers in. Need one of those. That was fun. So yeah, we'll have to get some more of the Let's Play series. Those were fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.